The CB Passive Income License has been the turnkey system to make money online for the past 5 years. Introducing version 5.0, a truly revolutionary internet business in a box program that can generate a sustainable passive income for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can generate income on the internet. I know, it's quite a big claim to make, but you'll see how easily it can be done at the end of this video because I've done it. And you can do the same too. This is why it works so well for my customers, especially for newbies. The truth is, it's unlikely that a newbie can pull this off successfully if I don't give them a done-for-you system like this. An intermediate internet marketer would struggle. Why? Well, it is not easy to create a web page that can convert subscribers very well. Also, the effort to continue testing it for improvement is tough. It is not easy to come up with an attractive but free offer that can entice the visitor to subscribe. The secret web page converts subscribers at almost a 50% conversion rate. Newbies don't have any proven credibility in the internet marketing niche. It's very hard to command any attention from the visitors and subscribers unless the newbie is in the market long enough. They won't know what products or affiliate programs to promote, or how to promote them. Newbies don't have the technical software and know how to get started, domain name, hosting, an autoresponder for emailing and so on. Not to mention, all of these can be quite overwhelming to understand. They simply don't have the time to create new courses to give to their subscribers. Without ongoing content, you'll lose the subscribers quickly. They would also need to be true masters of email marketing because the fact is, the money is really made by sending carefully crafted emails. What the gurus have been pitching before, it's not entirely true that there is zero cost to start a solid internet business. There are costs involved, especially with hiring designers, writers, etc. On top of that, hosting and autoresponders are monthly cost. When a newbie gets started, he or she needs a coach for guidance and advice. The most complex matter of all is structuring a system that can be highly profitable going forward. What if the newbies can leverage on and use my entire system without paying any loyalty or licensing fee? I'll even train them for free. In a nutshell, clone my entire business system so that it can generate affiliate commissions for you too, on autopilot. P.S. May I know if you're still unsure how does the system works? If you don't, frankly, this is the exact reason you need to sign up right now. Once you've accessed the dashboard area, you'll understand exactly how it works and will be surprised how easy it is to get started. Remember, you're protected with my 100% money-back guarantee. Click the link below for more details.